Now we will discuss type second question. One more question. Prove that 7 under root 5 is an irrational number. So students, how we will prove that 7 under root 5 is an irrational number? Same procedure here. Let us assume to contrary that 7 under root 5 is a rational number such that there exist two positive integer a comma b and b not is equals to 0. So 7 under root 5 is equals to a upon b, and where a comma b are co-prime. After that, under root 5 is equals to a upon 7 be simple. Now a comma b are positive integers. So a upon 7b is a rational number. So under root 5 is a rational number. But our this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. So our assumption is wrong. So 7 root 5 is an irrational number. Understand, students? Now next, if negative is given to you, then how we will transfer its values? Sign में problem आती है students. How? Suppose question है proof that 3 minus 2 under root 3 is an irrational number. All statement you write. After that क्या होगा? 3 minus 2 under root 3 is equals to a upon b. Transfer right hand side. Minus 2 root 3 is equals to a upon b minus 3 upon 1. Minus 2 root 3 is equals to a minus 3b upon b. But here negative sign is present. Then how it will convert positive sign? Both side multiply minus 1. यहाँ पे माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करो. माइनस 2 रूट 3 इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस ए माइनस माइनस प्लस 3b अपॉन बी. पॉजिटिव बन गया. 2 रूट 3 इज इक्वल्स टू दैट कैन बी रिटन एज 3b माइनस ए अपॉन बी. और व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ रूट 3? दैट इज 3b माइनस ए अपॉन b. So students, if negative come, then on both side you will multiply by the negative. Okay. Now we'll discuss type third question. In type third question, if both the numbers are given to you inside the square root, then how we will prove? Type third question is that prove that under root 2 plus under root 3 is an irrational number. आपको क्या प्रूफ करना है? रूट 3 एंड रूट 2 irrational. फर्स्ट प्रोसीजर क्या है? फर्स्टली यू विल प्रूव दैट रूट 3 इज ए irrational नंबर, उसको प्रूफ कर दो. सेकेंड, रूट 2 को irrational प्रूफ कर दो. नाउ सम ऑफ टू irrational number is always irrational number or not irrational number. But second procedure, how we will do using method. So let us assume to contrary that root 2 plus root 3 is a a rational number such that there exist two positive integer a comma b, b is not is equals to 0, root 2 plus root 3 is equals to a upon b, where a comma b are co-primes. Up to here same language. Now we can transfer either under root 2 और under root 3. अब root 2 को भी ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो स्टूडेंट्स और root 3 को भी ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो anyone. So under root 2 is root 3 transfer right hand side, a upon b minus root 3. That is not compulsory, then we transfer root 3. You can transfer root 2 also. Now next step, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides is under root 2 square is equals to a upon b minus that whole square. Square करो क्या बनेगा 2. Now here which identity we will use here? X minus y whole square. So x minus y whole square में क्या होगा? A square upon b square plus b square minus 2xy 2a upon b root 3. So from that expression we will find out the value, the number which is present inside the square root. यहाँ से किसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करोगे? नंबर which is present inside the square root. So which number is present here students inside the square root? Root 3. Root 3 की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करोगे. So whole transfer left and 2 transfer right hand side. So that can be written as 2a root 3 upon b is equals to a square upon b square plus 3 minus 2. So that can be written as 2a under root 3 upon b is equals to a square plus b square upon b square. Students, any problem? 3 minus 2 1, 1 upon 1 b square, then a square plus b square. After that आपको root 3 की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है. So how will calculate? 2a under root 3 is equals to a square plus b square upon b square multiply by the b. So what is the value of root 3? A square, b 1b cancel plus b square upon 2ab. Students, up to here any problem? No. So first step, we transfer the any square root number right hand side, then on both sides we will do the square. After the statement is same, here a comma b are positive integers, so a square plus b square upon 2ab is a rational number. So under root 3 is a rational number. But this fact the contradiction that this fact the contradiction that root 3 is an irrational number. So our assumption is wrong, hence root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. That is the type third question. So in type third question, student, if both the numbers are given to you inside the square root, then how we will prove that given number is irrational number. Again repeat, let us assume to contrary that root 2 plus root 3 is a rational number such that there exists two positive integer a comma b where b is not equals to 0. After that we will put a upon b. We will transfer any number on right hand side, either root 2 over root 3. So root 2 equals to a upon b minus root 3. Squaring on both sides, root 2 whole square is equals to a upon b minus root 3 square. After that root 2 square is 2, and here which identity we use here, x minus y whole square is equals to x square plus y square minus 2xy. Square on both sides, a square upon b square plus 3 minus that. Now in that whole equation, which number is present inside the square root? Root 3 is present inside the square root. So आपने क्या किया है, root 3 की value find out कर ली. So from here root 3 value will come a square plus b square upon 2ab. Here a and b are positive integer, so a square plus b square upon 2b is a rational number. If their right hand side is rational number, that means left hand side is also a rational number. So root 3 भी क्या होगा आपका, rational number होगा. But this fact the contradiction that root 3 क्या है, irrational है. So आपने जो assume किया है वो wrong हो गया. So root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Understand friends? Now next one more question based on that one in general form. देखो जनरल फॉर्म में, जनरल फॉर्म में देखो क्या क्वेश्चन फॉर्म हो सकता है. Prove that under root p plus under root q is an irrational number where p and q are not is equals to 0. आपको क्या प्रूफ करना है, रूट p plus रूट q क्या होगा, irrational number होगा. So how will prove? Same procedure. Let us assume to contrary that under root p plus under root q is a rational number such that a comma b are two positive integer where a and b is not equals to 0. So क्या करोगे आप, root p plus root q is equals to a upon b where a comma b are co-prime. Now we will transfer any number on the right hand side. आप root p को भी transfer कर सकते हो, root q को भी transfer कर सकते हो. So we will transfer here under root p is equals to a upon b minus root q. Squaring on both sides, under root p whole square is equals to a upon b minus under root q whole square. So if we will do square on both sides, then p square is equals to a square upon b square plus q root p होगा ना यहाँ पे, p a square upon q minus 2a upon b under root q. Now which number or which digit is present inside the square root q? तो आपको किसकी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है, root q. ट्रांसफर राइट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड दैट राइट हैंड साइड. So 2a under root q upon b is equals to a square upon b square plus q minus p. After that what is the value? 2a under root q is equals to a square plus b square q minus p divided by d square. आपको वैल्यू किसकी कैलकुलेट करनी है, क्योंकि सो अंडर रूट q इक्वल a square plus b square q minus p divide b square multiply b cancel, so under root q and here 2 also, 2a, so q value a square plus b square q minus p divided by 2ab. So here a and b are positive integers, so a square upon b square, a square plus b square q minus p upon 2b is a rational number. So ये क्या होगा, लेफ्ट एंड राइट हैंड साइड आपका रेशनल नंबर फॉर्म हो रहा है, सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज आल्सो फॉर्मिंग रेशनल नंबर, सो रूट क्यू इज अ रेशनल नंबर, बट दिस साइड द कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन दैट रूट क्यू क्या हो जाएगा आपका इरेशनल, और अजप्शन इज रॉन्ग, जो आपने एज्यूम किया है वो क्या बनेगा, रॉन्ग बनेगा, सो root p plus root q is an irrational number. So students, these are the all type question based on irrational number. How we will prove that the given number are irrational? Student understand? Any problem? So these are the all possible questions based on irrational number. So again summarize of chapter first. देखो chapter first में क्या है? First is the Euclid division algorithm. Euclid division algorithm we will use to find out the HCF of two or more than two positive integers. After that Euclid division algorithm, then Euclid division base theorem, lemma. After that how we will find out the LCM and HCF using prime factorization method. So for that LCM multiply HCF is equals to first number multiplied by the second number. After that if the in question will come 2 bells, 3 bells, 5 bells, or they 3 runner, after that time they will meet again, so that type of question always what we will find out, LCM we will find out. Next greatest के केस में जनरली HCF कैलकुलेट करते हैं, लिस्ट के केस में क्या करते हैं LCM कैलकुलेट करते हैं, बट आपको क्वेश्चन की लैंग्वेज से देखना है डिवाइड्स टू आ रहा है या डिवाइड्स बाई आ रहा है. Okay, after that next is how we will prove, one more question is important, that is left. Students, how we will prove that composite number का एक क्वेश्चन है ना आपके एक्सरसाइज में, how we will prove that number is a composite number. हाँ जो भी 6 है 5 है. क्वेश्चन ऐसा है 7 इंटू 11 इंटू 5 इंटू 2 प्लस 7 सपोज ले लो इज ए कंपोजिट नंबर. आपको प्रूफ करना है दैट इज ए कंपोजिट नंबर. सो हाउ वी विल प्रूव दैट इज ए कंपोजिट नंबर, 7 इंटू 11 इंटू 5 इंटू 2 प्लस 7. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 7 कॉमन, सो 11 multiply 5 multiply 2 plus 1, 7, 11 5 55, 55 multiply 2 is 110, 110 plus 1, 7 into 111, 111. अब इसको ये राइट कर सकते हो into 1. so this number are having more than 2 factor. इस नंबर के क्या है, more than 2 factor है, that's why that given number having more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number. ये क्या बनेगा आपका composite number. So students, if these type of questions are given to you, then how we will prove that given number is a composite number or not? Easily you can do, easily कर सकते हो इनको, that given number are composite or not. If the number which are having more than 2 factors, then given number is a composite number, and if not having more than 2 factor, then numbers are not a composite number. Okay, thank you all students for today class. In next class students we will start your chapter 2nd. So you will complete your chapter 1st and send me send to me your queries through WhatsApp number if you are having any problem in chapter. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.